Hey, what's happening YouTube? We've got a big day of riding tomorrow, so I'm going to quickly do an oil change, which will only take a jiffy, so let's go. Boom, boom, boom. I've got a stand. Bugger. And just over here. This is a stand Dad and I make. I know you're probably thinking, holy mackerel, Ross, you're so smart. But one of the main flaws is when you lock it into place, you've got to make sure one wheel is touching the ground, because when it wobbles, it slowly likes to come undone a little bit. It's got its flaws. Get the job done. Step one, start the bike. Warm it up a little bit just to make sure the oil becomes a little bit less viscous, so it's easy to kind of come out and make sure you can drain the whole entire thing. Okie dokie, now that it's warmed up, I'm going to put the oil pan underneath, under the bolt, and let all the oil out. Because while that's all happening, I'm going to change my oil filter. I think 5 right for me. It's a pretty good way of just remembering it. So obviously the main trick is I like to just undo it with the ratchet, and then undo it with your hands, because I don't want it actually to drop in the actual oil pan itself. Yeah, no, she needed to be changed. Oh boy. Yeah, she's pretty brown, I'm not gonna lie. All you need to do is obviously only pour it to it. Ow. Yep. Wow. Oh, god damn it. Pretty damn good. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I'm putting the exact amount of oil in it. The best place to find that is in your manual if you've still got it. Placed with oil filter element replacement, which is what I did. So I need to put exactly 0.69 litres of oil in it. Last but not least, we need 700 mils of this bad boy, or 0.69, I'll just go 700 because that's close enough. Got a litre bottle, so that's plenty. If I was looking at this really good nozzle thing at the top that makes it super easy to pour into. That should be good. 300 on the dot, let's go. Bad boy. Boom, we're ready to go for a ride tomorrow. Boom. Son! Hey, hey! Woo! I like being in the corner. Strawberry kisses! Oh yeah. Pegasaurus.
Sometimes all I think about is fever film.
Okay, here we are, another day, another project. Tom's out here working in his commie, doing a bit of an oil change. Plan for today is now that I'm trying to make sure this is a little bit more sturdy so I don't pop through it again. I've also bought a whole bunch of White Knight squirts, black, and we're gonna give the ramp a bit of a makeover. Can I do this one-handed?
So,
I think smarter, not harder. Yeah. Okay. Woohoo! It's gonna work very well.
looks good.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Just gotta not spray the camera. Yeah. Nah, I wouldn't do that.
Alright.
You did. And there we are. Part 1 is done. I actually went through a lot more paint than I initially thought. That's literally 2 cans of paint right there, so I'm definitely gonna have to go buy more paint. But so far it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna chuck something on the jump to make it a little bit more exciting and groovy, but yeah, I'm gonna go get some more paint, get the rest of the bottom done, and that'll be it. Yeah, just kicking. Hey guys, thanks for waiting around to the end of the video. It was a nice little quick one, but it was basically everything I got up to in a week. Race season is coming up soon, which I've been training really hard for, so we'll be able to get heaps of awesome footage when I really get into that part. But yeah, anyway, enjoy your week. Make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe, because we're coming in with lots of energy 2021. I'll see you guys out there.